Today let's discuss about weather, climate and adaptation of animals. In this context we are going to discuss about adaptation, polar region, adaptation of polar bear and penguin. Adaptation. Adaptation is of two types, behavioral adaptation and structural adaptation. Adaptation usually occurs over a long period of time. Behavioral adaptation. Moving of animals in large groups is called behavioral adaptation. It helps to protect the group members from predators, for example, bird calls and migration. Structural adaptation. The change in body structure of animals is called structural adaptation. It helps to protect it against the cold weather, for example, the bill on a bird, fur on a polar bear. The polar regions. The polar regions are very cold for most parts of the year and these regions are covered with snow. The temperatures are as low as minus 37 degrees Celsius. For 6 months the sun doesn't rise and for other 6 months the sun doesn't not set. Some of the animals found in the polar regions are polar bear, seals, penguins, musk ox, reindeer, fox, whales. Polar bears. Polar bear is a carnivorous bear whose native range lies largely within the Arctic Circle. Adaptations of polar bear. They have white fur so that they are not easily visible in the snow and helps in catching their prey. They have 2 layers of fur to protect them from extreme cold. They have a layer of fat under the skin which also protect them from cold. Their paws are white and large which help them to walk on snow and to swim in water. They have a strong sense of smell which helps them to catch their prey. Penguin. Penguins are aquatic, flightless birds living almost exclusively in the southern hemisphere, especially in Antarctica. Adaptations of penguin. They have white color body so that they are not easily visible in the snow. They have white, thick skin and a lot of fat to protect them from cold. They huddle together to keep them warm. They have a streamlined body and webbed feet which help them to swim in water. Heavy and solid bones make penguin heavier to help them to drive under water for food. This is the diagrams of reindeers and foxes. This one is seals and the whales and this one is the musk oxen.